Namaste friends. Today I'm going to talk about a very important pranayam, Bhastrika Pranayam. So how to do this one? So Bhastrika is essentially a force inhale and force exhale. So what do you mean by force? So I will show basic how it works. So you make a fist and raise your hands. And when you raise your hands, you inhale. Inhale as much to fill your lungs completely, your and when you bring down, exhale. Try to push all the air out of your airways, your lungs. So that's why it's called force exhale. So how many times you should do it? So ideally to start, you should do 3 sets of 30 reps in each. So like say in one set you are going to do 30, and for 3 sets you are going to do 30 into 3 equal to total 90 repetitions. And how to do it one? So basically you just sit on any sukhasana or padmasana or any mudra you are comfortable with, and keep your straight back straight. So the main reason to keep your back straight is because you don't want to pressure your airways, so that like not all the airs of the full capacity is going into your lungs. And then like say if someone has knee problems or some recent surgery or any kind of problem that they are not able to sit properly on a floor, then either first they try to use uh, help of either some pillow, or you can try even like on chair as well. So on chair you can put your knees and thigh into 90-degree angles and keep it straight. And to start, just make a fist and inhale when you go up, exhale when you go down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you do this for 30 times, 30 repetitions in one set. And then once either you are tired, when you are doing for first time, you might feel some sweet pain in your backside. Then you take 5 to 10 deep breath, just like normal. So after 5 to 10 deep breath, then you start set 2. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So this pranayam will help you with like all kind of diseases. So please try at least 3 sets and see how it helps with your health. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Dhanyavad.